Here's a cleaner, more engaging voiceover version for your YouTube Shorts video. Ready to fold the paper airplane that broke the 212 world distance record with an incredible 226-foot flight? This is the legendary Susanne designed by John Collins, and you can make it in under 60 seconds. Grab one sheet of paper, and let's go. 3, 2, 1, start. First, fold your paper in half lengthwise, then open it back up. Now take the top edge and fold it to the left edge so the crease passes exactly through the top left corner. Open it again. Repeat the same fold in the opposite direction. Next, fold the right edge inward so it lines up along the diagonal crease, but leave a tiny gap between the edge and the crease. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Now fold the top point downward to the intersection of the creases. After that, fold both sides inward along the existing creases. Fold the entire plane in half. Time for the wings. Fold each wing down so the edge lines up over that corner and make the crease start just above the nose of the plane. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. Now you have two options. If you want extra strength, add tape here, here, and here. Then repeat on the opposite side. If you don't want tape, simply fold the small tab forward a bit, then refold the wings to lock all the layers together. And that's it. Your world record style paper airplane is ready to fly. Test it outside and see how far you can launch it.